Hello guys, welcome back to my page, and I'm with Miss RVIDM for another exciting adventure. We're in Barangay Rizal, Clavera, Misamis Oriental, visiting the Divine Mercy, a place of peace and breathtaking views. Ang ganda-ganda. You can see the Cagayan de Oro Friendship Highways from here, perched atop the Clavera Mountain. It's become a very popular destination, especially on Sundays. Pero hindi lang basta magandang tanawin ito ha, ang Divine Mercy Shrine, sagrado at puno ng pag-asa. The peaceful atmosphere here is palpable, make it perfect for the reflection and prayer. At tignan nyo nga, ang saya-saya ng mga bata kumakaway pa sa atin sa drone shot. Ang cute! Tapos, ang ganda rin ng landscaping dito. Ang gaganda ng mga bulaklak. Nakaka-attract talaga. At para sa mga gusto mag-overnight, heto. I heard there's a rest house or staycation place opening soon nearby. Abangan! Seriously guys, this place is a must-see. The incredible panoramic view combined with the spiritual significance is stunning landscaping. Ang ganda-ganda talaga, perfect for pagpapahinga, pananalangin at pagpapahalaga sa mga gawa ng Diyos. It's easily accessible. No strenuous climb needed pag pumupunta kayo dito. Pro tip lang guys, if you're planning a visit, don't forget your camera. Tapos, dress modestly and respectfully, and maybe take some time to learn about the story of Divine Mercy before you go. Kung pupunta kayo dito guys, much better, gagamit kayo ng sarili niyong sasakyan. Malaking shout out din pala sa mga kasama ko, Sir Russell Panugalinog, Angie Mabini at Beefstick Vlog. Enjoy! See you on our next adventure! Don't forget to like and share! Wag OA!